Sorry, I'm getting out. Sorry. Yeah, arrest me. Don't shoot me. Yes. Yeah, arrest me.
Yeah, come.
Yeah, arrest me. Don't shoot me. Arrest me.
Come. One. Down. See him there. Down. How about a head? Come on. Go. Check who else is there. Come outside. Come outside, yeah.
Go.
Come outside. Come outside. Wait.
Sorry, please.
Yeah, come on.
Come outside. Please, sorry.
Come outside.
Please don't shoot me, please.
Come outside.
Don't shoot me, please. No, don't shoot you. Come out.
You.
Come here.
Take this one. Put him in the van. Come on.
We're just trying to take some cars outside because they are burning the shop everywhere. We don't even know the cause, but right now we just need to be safe and other things because other shops they close. Like 5-6 shops is already shut down already.
But trust me, South Africa, you guys are sitting on a time bomb. Trust me. You're sitting on a time bomb. If foreigners leave this country, you guys are going to suffer.
Wait that battery, wait, things start red one.
See for you. The battery is there, okay? The people working here, they are South Africans. I pay my tax. People gave me a license to open business.
This will never end because it's almost every less than every 6 months you must hear an act like this. But the solution now is what we're looking for now is a solution. My company has like 10 staff. Among all these 10 staff, they are all South African. They are all South African. It's just me alone and my partner that is in Nigeria. Then what else do you guys want us to do? We create job. We came to create job for them. We're not like stealing job from them because we are creating. We have to go somewhere and right now it's dark already, but I know God will guide us to our destination for now.
One person has been shot and killed here in the city centre as riots and unrest continues in the Johannesburg CBD. It looks like police will be on duty for the rest of the evening, heading into the early hours of tomorrow morning.
Yeah. Let's go. Touch the cover, Baloy. Come on, your car. So, nein,